Welcome to the UzEnergy Expo, held in Tashkent from October 29th to 31st, 2024. The vibrant capital of Uzbekistan is an annual international energy trade fair. Zhuhai Sino Energy is a global leader in charging solutions, backed by 18 years of innovation and quality, and has partnered with top brands worldwide. Join us at Booth 1, where we showcase our latest innovations in the electric vehicle charging station sector. Discover our cutting-edge EV charging solutions, designed to meet the growing demands of the market. Engage with our expert team as they discuss our one-stop solutions with clients, exploring opportunities for collaboration. We value our partnerships and are excited to connect with customers from Uzbekistan. Thank you to everyone who visited us. Here's capturing moments from UzEnergy Expo Tashkent 2024. Discover more at the fair. We warmly invite you to visit our factory and shape the future of EV charging together.